What is a seed phrase and why it is one of the most important things in Web3? If you are new to crypto or just getting started with MetaEarth, this is a term you must understand. Because in the decentralized world of Web3, you are in charge, not a bank, nor a platform. And that means if you lose your access, there's no forgot password button. Let's break this down. A seed phrase, sometimes also called recovery phrase, is a set of 12 or 24 words that give you full access to your crypto wallet. It's like the master key to your digital asset. Technically, your wallet is secured by something called a private key, a long string of random numbers that prove you are the owner. It looks like this. But since that's too hard to remember or store, it gets turned into something easier, your seed phrase. That's the list of 12 or 24 words you receive when creating a wallet. It's basically a readable version of your private key. Simple to write down, but just as powerful. When you create a Web3 wallet like MetaMask, Phantom, or MetaEarth MePass, these words are generated and shown to you. You are expected to write them down, store them securely, and never share them with anyone. Think of the seed phrase like the only one key you have of your home. If someone gets them, they can walk in. If you lose them or you don't have a copy, you are locked out forever. And this is not just theory. Millions of dollars worth of Bitcoin sit in wallets that are now completely inaccessible. And that's because the owners lost their seed phrases. Many people think it's okay to just screenshot their seed phrase or save them into their phone notes. But this is extremely risky. Remember that hackers can access your photo library or apps where the seed phrase is stored. And once they have it, they have your wallet. The most secure way, write it down on a paper and store it somewhere safe and offline. In Web 2, so centralized platforms, you forget your password, there's customer service ready to help you. But in Web 3, where decentralization and self-custody are the foundation, you are responsible for yourself. That's the trade-off. Freedom and privacy, but also accountability. No seed phrase equal no access equal no recovery. This is the double-edged sword of decentralization. It's empowering, but also demands care. When you create an account in the MePass app, you also set up your Me wallet, which includes generating a seed phrase. At this stage, we walk you through verifying your Me ID, which connects your wallet to a decentralized identity and unlocks other features. But here's the thing, your seed phrase is still your responsibility. If you lose it, no one, not even MetaEarth, can help you recover your asset or identity. That's why we remind every user, save it, store it securely, and never share it. We get it, not everyone is used to writing down secret words or managing keys. That's why on MetaEarth's future roadmap, we are working toward integrating MPC wallets, a safer, more user-friendly way to manage crypto without compromising the self-custody. What is MPC? MPC stands for multi-party computation. Instead of storing your private key in one place, it's split into encrypted shares, which are distributed to multiple independent parties or devices. These parties collaboratively approve transactions without ever reconstructing the full private key in one place. This means you don't need to memorize or store a seed phrase. Even if one share is lost, your assets are still safe. It reduces the risk of hacks because no single point of failure exists. Your private key might be split into 3 or more encrypted parts. For example, a part can be in a Google Drive, another one in an iCloud, and so on. These parts never exist in one place and cannot be used individually to access your funds. They must work together through cryptography coordination to sign transactions, making this setup far more resilient to single-point attacks. While the system introduces some reliance on external infrastructure, it significantly improves user safety and convenience. A balanced MetaEarth is aiming for to bring Web3 to the mainstream. These shares alone are useless, but put together, they authorize actions. This increases safety, but does introduce some reliance on third-party services, which means it's not fully decentralized in the strictest sense. However, it's a strong step toward mainstream-friendly self-custody. MetaEarth believes UX is key to mass adoption. And MPC, it's a big step in that direction. Your seed phrase is your Web3 lifeline. Protect it at all costs. Never store it digitally. Screenshotting it or saving it in your notes might seem convenient, but it's extremely risky. Writing it down on paper and storing it offline is still the safest way. MetaEarth is making decentralized onboarding smoother than ever. But your security starts with you. And soon, with MPC integration, we'll make it even easier, offering a safer and more user-friendly approach to self-custody. Download now the MePass app, secure on Me Wallet, and start exploring the future of Web3 responsibly. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with someone who's just starting the crypto journey with you.